Numerical Ability Worksheet number 2A. So this is all about addition and subtraction of integers. Okay, so try nyo sagutan 1 to 15. Okay, so here are the rules in addition and subtraction of integers. So for addition, so we have two rules in addition. So first is for like signs. So kapag like signs, add the numbers and copy the sign. Okay, and then for unlike signs, get the difference of the numbers, put the sign of the bigger number. Okay, so and then next rule in subtraction. So we have two steps or two rules in subtraction. Change the sign of the second number and then proceed to addition. Okay, so let's answer the 15 items. So for number 1, so we have 4 plus negative 2. So this is addition of unlike signs. So the sign of 4 here is positive. So we can write this as, so if there is no sign, so that means that is positive. So this is the same as positive 4 and then plus negative 2. Okay, so if the sign is positive, pwede nang hindi isulat yon, automatic positive na yon. So positive 4 plus negative 2, so unlike signs. Kapag unlike sign, subtract the bigger or subtract the smaller number, the 2 from positive 4 and then copy the sign of the higher number. So higher number, ibig sabihin, regardless of sign. So the sign of 4 is positive. So therefore, the answer to this is positive 4 plus negative 2. So we have positive and then 4 minus 2 is positive 2. So again, if the sign is positive, there's no need to write the positive sign. The answer is positive 2. Okay? So next, for number 2, we have 5 minus negative 3. So this is subtraction. So ang sabi, the rule in subtraction is change the sign. Change the sign of the second number and then proceed to addition. So from negative, so magiging itong 5 minus negative 3. So magiging siyang 5. Change the sign natin itong negative 3, magiging positive 3 na yan. So negative 3 magiging positive 3. And then proceed to addition, so magiging 5 plus positive 3. Or in short, so negative of negative. So pag dalawang negative, magiging lang siyang positive. So same yan dito, 5 plus positive 3. Kasi itong 5 dito, may plus din yan sa harapan. Okay, so para na lang siyang addition of ayan, kapag parehong number, like signs, addition of ayan, like signs. So positive 5 plus positive 3 is equal to positive 8. So there's no need to write the positive sign. Okay? So next, so we have 7 minus 3. So 7 minus 3, so it's just subtract 7 minus 3, that is equal to 4. Or if we apply the rule, of subtraction of integers, so this will become 7 and then negative 2. So the sign of 3 here is positive and then meron tayong negative dito, di ba? So magiging siyang 7, same ito sa 7 minus positive 3. So parehas lang din yan. Okay? Or positive 7 minus positive 3. So ang sabi kapag addition daw tayo ng integers, change the sign yung second number. Okay, so change natin yung sign ng second number. So itong positive 3, magiging siyang negative 3. So magiging itong negative 3. So tapos proceed to addition. Kaya ayan, magiging siyang 7 plus negative 3. Okay? And then proceed to addition. Parang pinagpalit lang natin ang sign. So or pwede mas madali i-recta na natin. 7 minus 3, that is equal to positive 4. Okay? So kapag nakaayos naman ng ganito, hindi na nakakalito yan, idiretso na lang natin. Okay. And then next, we have negative 9 plus negative 3. So this is addition of like signs. Parehas negative. So ang sabi kapag parehas negative, negative 9 plus negative 3. So i-add lang natin pero ang sign natin ay negative. So negative plus another negative, the answer is negative and then just add. So 9 plus 3, that is equal to 12. So the answer is negative 9 plus negative 3, that is equal to negative 12. Okay? So next, number 5, addition of unlike signs. So ang operation natin, addition, unlike sign is a positive. Pag walang nakasulat, positive. And then we have negative 4. So ano ang susundin natin dito? We have positive 9, negative 4. Ang susundin natin ay yung mas malaking number. Yung sign ng mas malaking number, yun yung 9. So we have positive. And then subtract natin, 9 minus 4, that is equal to 5. Okay? Or ipag in-apply natin dito yung subtraction, 9 plus negative 4, the same lang yan sa 9 minus 4. So 9 minus 4 is 5. Okay? So next number, number 6, we have negative 19 minus negative 3. So negative 19, kopyahin lang natin itong negative 19. So we have subtraction. Okay? So sabi pag subtraction daw, yung subtraction gagawin nating addition. Okay? Tapos, i-change natin ang sign nitong second number. Ang second number natin is negative 3. So, magiging siyang positive 3. Okay? So, therefore, we have negative 19 plus positive 3. Okay? Or simply negative times negative, that is equal to positive. Or pag in-apply natin yung rule, so change natin yung negative sign to positive, and then itong negative 3, magiging positive 3. So now apply natin yung addition of unlike signs. We have negative 19 and positive 3. Mas malaki yung 19, so therefore we have negative. Susundin natin yung sign ng 19 negative, tapos subtract natin. So 9 bawasan ng 3, so that is 16. So the answer is negative 16. Okay, so next number. So we have negative 2 plus 11. So same yan sa negative 2 plus yung gitna. So yan, plus yung gitna tapos itong 11, pwede natin yan lagyan ng another, yan, positive 11. So we have addition of unlike signs. Isang negative, isang positive. So ito yung negative 2 and then we have positive 11. So unlike signs, susundin natin ang sign ng malaking number. So that is the positive 11. So therefore, the sign of the sum is positive and then subtract natin 11 minus 2, we have 9. Okay? Again, kapag positive ang sign, no need to write na yung positive. Okay? So next, we have 9 minus negative 13. So in shortcut dito, kapag negative of negative, magiging positive na yan. So magiging lang siyang 9 negative times negative, so magiging plus 13 na lang yan. And that is equal to 9 plus 13, that is simply equal to 22. Okay? Or kapag in-apply natin yung rule, ang sabi, magiging siyang 9. Just copy the 9. Itong negative, magiging siyang positive kasi ang sabi, proceed to addition. Tapos change the sign of the second number. Negative 13, magiging positive 13. Or dalawang positive, equal din lang din yan sa isang positive. 9 plus 13 lang din yan. Okay? So another for number 9, same. So we have 2 negatives. So this will be equal to 2 plus 10. We have negative of negative. So that is positive. 2 plus 10 equals positive 12. And then for number 10, we have 2 negatives and then addition. The operation is addition. So we have 2 negatives. So all we have to do is add and then copy the sign. The sign is both negative. So therefore, ayan, equal siya sa negative. Just add 14 and 11. So that is equal to negative 25. Okay, so last set, we have 11 to 15. So 15 minus 8. So wala nang problema dapat kapag ganyan. Pwedeng ano na lang to, diretso na lang. Parang ano na lang, whole numbers. 15 minus 8. So 15 minus 8, that is equal to 7. Huwag na tayong magpakahirap kapag naka-arrange na naman ng ganyan yan. Or kapag in-apply natin yung rule, magiging siyang 15, yung negative daw, magiging positive. Tapos itong 8 kasi dito, yung 8 dito, positive yung 8 dito eh. So magiging siyang negative 8. So 15 plus negative 8 is equal to 7. Okay? So next, ito, madali. Number 12, 14 plus 6. So huwag nang pahirapan yung sarili, huwag nang mag-change ng sign dahil parehas positive, just add. 14 plus 6 is 20. So ang nakakalito lang naman dito sa mga beginners ay yung mga ganitong mga magkakaiba ng sign. Kagaya ng 13, 9 plus negative 5. Okay, so itong 9, meron niyang pwedeng lagyan natin ng sign. We have positive 9. Okay, so lagyan natin ng sign positive 9 plus negative 5. Ayan, so unlike sign, isang positive, isang negative. So ang gagawin dyan, isa-subtract tapos copy the sign of the bigger number. The bigger number is 9, so the sign is positive, and then just subtract 9 minus 5 is equal to positive 4. Again, no need to write the sign, just write 4. Okay, so next we have negative 2 plus 14. So this is the same as negative 2 plus 14. So we can write that as negative 2 plus positive 14. So therefore, so addition of unlike signs, one negative and one positive, just copy the sign of the bigger number. So that is positive 14. So we have positive and then subtract. 14 minus 2 is equal to 12. So the correct answer is positive 12. So burahin na natin yung positive sign, 12 na lang. And then last one, we have 10 minus negative 15. So we have 2 negatives. So this will become 10 plus 15 and that is equal to 25. Or if we follow the rule in subtraction, so magiging ganito yan, 10. Yung negative, lagi natin change yung sign niyan, magiging positive. Kasi sabi proceed to addition kapag na-change na natin yung sign nitong second number is negative 15. So magiging siyang change the sign, magiging positive 15. So 10 plus positive 15. So that's simply equal to 10 plus 15, which is 25. Okay, so that's all. So I hope nagustuhan niyo explanation para sa addition and subtraction of integers. Thank you for watching. At kung may math question po kayo ay i-comment nyo lang sa aking channel or sa aking FB group or i-DM nyo ako sa aking messenger. Ayan, RJ Enseñado. So good luck sa lahat na nagre-review. Bye-bye and God bless.